Assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak to everyone. Today I'll teach you how to separate oil from animal fats. I am using cow's fats. This is a method to render cow fat, suet, or beef fat into a clean, shelf-stable cooking fat similar to how ghee is used. Remove any meat or blood spots from the fat. Place the fat into a heavy pot or slow cooker set on low heat. Let it slowly melt over to 2-4 hours, stirring a the fat will separate from the solids called cracklings. When the cracklings turn golden brown, it's done. You can add a little salt or garlic during rendering for flavored tallow. Don't use high heat, it can burn and ruin the flavor. Carefully strain the hot liquid through a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer into a clean, dry container. Let it cool and solidify. It will turn white or yellowish. Store in a clean jar. It can be kept for months in a cool, dry place, longer if refrigerated.